How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Did you know you can send pictures on Messenger that disappear after just one view? It's perfect for sharing something quickly without leaving a trace. Today I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Here's how to send one-time pictures on Messenger. It's super easy. First, open the Messenger app and go to the chat where you want to send the picture. Tap the camera icon to take a picture or select one from your gallery. Before sending, look for the one-time view icon which looks like a circle with a lock or timer. Tap it to enable this feature. Once enabled, send the picture and it will disappear after the recipient view it once. And that's it. Your picture is now set to disappear after one view. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Have any questions or want to learn more Messenger tricks, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.